In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna as a payment method on Depop. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to depop.com. Once the site loads, take a moment to browse for the items you want to buy. When you find something you like, add your desired items to your shopping bag. Make sure to review the item details carefully as you shop, including things like size, condition, price, and shipping information, so you know exactly what you're purchasing before moving on. After you've added everything you want, go to your shopping bag and proceed to the checkout screen. This is where you'll review your order and get ready to choose how you'd like to pay. It's a good idea to quickly double check your bag at this stage to make sure the items, quantities, and total amount all look correct. Catching anything now can save time later. Once you're on the checkout page, look for the payment method section. This is where Depop lets you choose between the available ways to complete your purchase. In that section, select Klarna as your payment option. If Klarna is available for your order, you should see it listed among the payment choices. Selecting it tells Depop that you'd like to continue your purchase using Klarna's payment system. After choosing Klarna, a secure pop-up window will appear. In that pop-up, log into your Klarna account. Be sure you're entering your information only in the official secure window, and take your time so everything is entered correctly. Since this step connects your payment choice to your order, accuracy matters. Once you're logged in, Klarna will show you the payment terms available for your purchase. Choose the option that works best for you, such as paying in 4 installments if that option is offered. Before confirming, carefully review the schedule, payment amounts, and any important details shown on the screen so you fully understand how and when you'll be charged. When you're ready, click Confirm to finalize your Klarna selection. After that, your payment setup will be applied to the order, and you'll be one step closer to completing your purchase on Depop. That's all it takes to use Klarna at checkout on Depop through Chrome. Follow each screen carefully, review the details before confirming, and you should be able to complete the process